Hi guys, welcome back. Now, a few months back you would have seen that Andy at Bonsai Crazy set out a tanuki challenge and I signed up for that. So he sent me a piece of wood and I'll shoot you over to Andy now and he can show you what he sent me.
Hi guys, I'm Andy from Bonsai Crazy, and earlier in the year I set a tanuki challenge and trying to get people to take it up and really go to town on some tanukis and really come up with some really fantastic looking bonsai with them. And I've given out 4 that I dug out of the ground earlier this year, and Dan has said he wanted the challenge, and this is going to be Dan's one. Now, what I can see with this, I can see actually, believe it or not, I can see a cave under here, but that's just me. This is yours, Dan. I've just chopped it there for you, and that's where you asked me to do it. So I'm going to send it to you now, and best of luck with the challenge. Don't forget, I want to know why you chose your tree, why you chose that particular design, and I really want to see you go to town on it, mate. So best of luck with it.
Here's a piece of wood that Andy sent me. It's quite a nice piece of wood, and as you can see I've already marked out a design of what I would like. Yeah, so we'll just get you outside and start carving. As you can see, I did a little bit more work off camera. Got rid of this bit here, just tidied it up a little bit. I'm going to put a hole in here, but unfortunately my drill ran out of battery, so while that's charging we'll just try and tidy this up a bit more. So, there we are guys. I've pretty much finished carving this now. Probably 7 or 8 hours work gone into that. I did a bit more off camera. I've cut the hole in it and I've sanded it all smooth. All that's left to do now is to put the tree into it, or, well, to mark out where the tree is going to go first, cut out the channels, varnish it all, and then put the tree on. That'll be in another video, I think. But yeah, there we go. What do you reckon? Thanks for watching, and stick around to catch up for the next part where I actually put the tree into the tanuki. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.